Good afternoon. I will now call the August 1st Commission on Ethics meeting to order. Commissioner Kugler, would you like to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may you please take the roll?
Commissioner Cruz,
Here.
Vice Chair Kreidel,
Present.
Commissioner Kugler,
Here.
Commissioner Romano,
Here.
Chair Vara Garcia.
Present.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will now move on to introductory remarks. Do any of the commissioners have any introductory remarks?
Nope.
All right, seeing none, we will now move on to the approval of the minutes from the July 11th meeting. Do I have a motion?
Motion to approve the minutes?
Second.
Okay, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The motion carries. We will now excuse ourselves for the executive session for case number C24-001. We will resume this meeting after that executive session has completed. Good afternoon again. The executive session for case number C24-001 has concluded, and I am now resuming the meeting for the August 1st Commission on Ethics. I will now ask our Vice Chair to read the public report and final order from that session.
In re Todd Bucci, case C24-001, public report and final order. Christy Kelly, Executive Director, Palm Beach County Commission on Ethics, filed the above referenced complaint alleging respondent Todd Bucci, an employee of Palm Beach County, violated Section 2444E, gift law, of the Palm Beach County Code of Ethics by accepting a cash tip after performing a specific service contemplated by his employment duties. Pursuant to Section 2258A of the Palm Beach County Commission on Ethics Ordinance, Palm Beach County Commission on Ethics is empowered to enforce the Palm Beach County Code of Ethics in lieu of a probable cause hearing. Respondent stipulated to probable cause and a negotiated settlement agreement, including a letter of reprimand, was submitted by the Commission to the Commission for approval. Respondent stipulated to the facts and circumstances as contained in the letter of reprimand. Respondent admitted to violating Section 2444E of the Palm Beach County Code of Ethics and agreed to accept a letter of reprimand and to a finding that the violation was intentional. The Commission accepted the conditions of the negotiated settlement. Pursuant to Commission on Ethics Ordinance Section 2260, Public Hearing Procedures, the Commission found that there was clear and convincing evidence contained within the record to support a finding that the violation was intentional and that respondent has acknowledged that his actions violated the Palm Beach County Code of Ethics. Therefore, it is ordered and adjudged. This matter is concluded upon the issuance of a letter of reprimand, done and ordered by the Palm Beach County Commission on Ethics in executive session this first day of August 2024. Kristen A. Vara Garcia, Chair, Palm Beach County Commission on Ethics.
Thank you very much. We will now proceed to the consent agenda. Before we proceed, are there any items that anyone wishes to pull from the consent agenda? All right, hearing none, do I have a motion?
Motion to approve the consent agenda as published.
Second.
Seconded by Commissioner Cruz. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The motion carries. I will now turn to Executive Director Kelly for her comments.
Thank you. During the month of July, staff provided in-person ethics trainings for employees in the city of Boynton Beach and the town of Juno Beach, as well as training for the Boynton Beach commissioners. Staff also attended the municipal meetings in Boynton Beach and Ocean Ridge, and tonight staff will be attending the Palm Beach Gardens municipal meeting. And then finally, our office is currently updating some of our publications and promotional materials, so we hope to have some to show you at the next meeting. And that's all I have for you.
Wonderful, thank you. Are there any comments that the commissioners would like to make? Mr. Romano?
So a comment and a commission and a question, which you may need some time to think about. I understand that the new statute gives immunity to wrongdoers unless a member of the general public files a complaint against them. If a member of the public files a complaint against someone, and during the investigation of that complaint, other wrongdoing is disclosed, and it turns out that the allegations in the original complaint were unfounded, but the investigation reveals complaints that would be founded, is that considered a self-initiated complaint or the fruit of a citizen complaint? I didn't hear. Sorry.
I would defer to Ms. Kelly at this point. We haven't come to an accord on how we're going to proceed on matters since the statute has been in place, other than to note that we won't be filing our own self-initiated complaints. So
That question was asked when the bill was on the floor, and the author of the bill said that we would still have the authority to, if we found additional violations during a sworn complaint from the member of the general public, we still would be able to file on that. I don't know the procedure and how we would do that, if we would just amend their complaints. So apparently the legislative intent was that we can do that, but we just don't have a procedure at this point.
Thanks.
All right, are there any
That's
other
all I have.
comments? No? All right, hearing none. And is there anyone from the public who would like to speak? All right, seeing none, I am now adjourning the August 1st, 2024 Commission on Ethics meeting. Thank you.